Today I'm going to be taking this and making them look like this and this. I love my bandsaw and my router table, but I got both of them used and both of them were missing their inserts. The big problem with that is that the inserts for both of these are discontinued. I can't get them anywhere. So when I got my bandsaw, I was able to make this thing right here out of wood. It's worked pretty well, but it still wiggles around quite a bit and it's not ideal. Well, then I thought to myself, hey, you know what? I just got a 3D printer. I bet you I could make something for one of these. Man, I really wish I could track down an insert for my router table and my bandsaw.
You just got a 3D printer. Why don't you just make one?
So with my great 3D printing idea, I headed online and quickly found a free pre-made insert for my bandsaw, which I'll link in the description. A few clicks later, it was all set up to be printed, so I sent it off and just waited around to see how it would turn out. So the model has been printed, and now is the time for the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing fits. It looks like the underside here is the right thing for right here. We're gonna slip this in. Let's see if I can line this up. That notch there, does it fit? It's snug for sure. Oh, look at that. Clicked right in. Huzzah! It looks like I'm gonna have to run my bandsaw blade a little bit here. It's touching on this backside here, but man, that is perfect. If you're enjoying this video and you want to see more like it, do us both a favor and hit that like button and click subscribe so that I know that you're enjoying these videos and so that you see more of them in the future. That there was the easy one because there were pre-made models on Thingiverse for it and a few other places, and I was actually able to find that one really easily. I haven't been able to find one for my Freud router table though, so what that means is it's caliper time. I used my calipers to take all the important measurements of the router table opening. Then I headed into Fusion 360, which I've just begun learning, and created my design, then exported it as an STL file to my slicer and sent it over to the 3D printer to print for the next few hours. All right, here we go. Ring is printed. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see how it fits. Oh man, that's nice. I like it. I know that this video wasn't quite about woodworking per se, but I think it's really important to utilize whatever tools we have available to us to make our shop the best place that it can be. I also really hope that this has inspired you like it inspired me to move outside of your comfort zone and try something new, working with new materials to really see if you can better yourself in the space you work in. So I want to hear from you. What kind of things around your shop or your home would you use a 3D printer to make or to repair? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. All right, here we go.